Hey everyone! So today I'm doing the Bloomin collection, which is limited edition, which probably sold out on all Five Belows, but it's coming to CVS and Walmart. So let's do this now so you can see. This is just like a pretty neutrally pink, maybe peachy pink. And it's like made with cherry blossoms and stuff. So we're starting with this pretty shimmer right here. I use the Benefits RSVP. I use that for the base color. Wow, this is pretty. It's like a pink with some gold shimmer. Very pretty. I'm gonna go into this little petal. This like petal, it's like a medium shadow. Petals out there no more. Of course, the beige color right here. The other two shadows, they have like the tiniest bit of shimmer in it. Okay, so that's the highlight color. Kind of almost blends in with my skin. Hard to see. And then since this eyeshadow already has a gorgeous shimmer to it, I'm gonna go into this beautiful glitter and just put it on the inner corners. Oh wow, it's pretty. Even the blush has a shimmer. Putting that on the cheek so you could see how it goes on. And I did take a lot, so, but you know, you blend it out with the face powder. And then I'm taking the more sheerer pink. It's got some shimmer in it as well, like the shadows. And let's see. They have a funny smell, not a bad smell. Maybe like a papaya or fruity smell. Of course, I gotta fix my foundation around the lips, but kind of light. But I'm gonna mix it when I finish everything. I'm gonna mix it with the shimmery color. So I did try this. Just to let you guys know, I did try this. I don't know why they say lip scrub. It's just a lip, and you can't barely read it because it's white on like a peachy color. You can't really read it, but I could have sworn they said that this was a lip scrub. Anyway, it also has a very tropical smell, but it had the tiniest bit of a weird taste though to me. But anyway, okay, so let me finish my makeup and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so this is the finished look. I have not had any problems with Wet n Wild's plumping, but this glitter one is burning me. I don't like plumping. Definitely, and I don't like how light this looks on me. You know, maybe someone with fair skin, but on me, it's probably something I would have to wear over another lipstick. I just wanted to do it with just these things. And yeah, you really got to shake this because all the glitter goes to the bottom. That's what I did with one of my other ones. Used it and my whole face was glittering, and at my age that's not very helpful. So I am taking the glitter and putting it down here. On my inner corner, which I forgot to do, the glitter from the palette. Yeah, that's what I got to say about that. I'm not using this. It's too pretty. I'll probably, use other ones, but that one probably not. If one day God blesses us, which I'm believing He will bless us with our own home, I would like my own room, and I would like to display these. But anyway, so that's that. As for my hair, so I believe it was the Silver Lights, Clairol Silver Lights had come out with bleach and toner. Usually they just had they had like the spray for the hair and stuff like that, but hair hair setting products, I guess is what you call them. But this was, they actually did a bleach and a toner. So I just got, it's a small pack. It's like a one-time use pack, and it came with a bonder that you put on afterwards. So I just wanted to get this red out, and it did not come out. It's still there. See, and I was just trying to work on the gold. I only worked on the top of my head. I really didn't touch the rest of it because it's already light and it's already damaged. I put some in the back, but this didn't really do much. Some of the gold turned more yellowish as opposed to a darker gold. This, I think, right here is just that was red, so that did lighten a tiny bit. It looks gold now, but so anyway, since I'm gonna probably be busy next week, I would like to do the toner before Valentine's Day. But if I don't have a chance, which I might not, then it's just gonna stay like this until I do my hair for my birthday, the peach and teal.